Yeah, Lagos. But I cannot help but say that at least it is in history books that Benin founded Lagos.
Hey, geenụ ntị ka unu ya Asari Dokubo kwulu gbasalụ ihe Ọba of Benin kwulu gbasalụ na ọfanwa bụ ihe found Lagos. Gezie ntị ka ịnụzie ihe Asari Dokubo kwulu. Daalụkwanụ.
Lagos belong to Benin people. Look at how unintelligent you people are. How did the distance between Lagos and Benin people? They don't even know history. How Lagos was founded by Benin people. Look at how stupid you are. Those are useless argument to me. Is useless argument. That woman attacked Lagos. That woman attacked Abeokuta. That woman is in Benin Republic. So that woman people say we own this place because they came to fight there. Borogu, part of Borogu is in Benin Republic. So Borogu people will say because they is shiny all those places. Borogu army at the time, so they will claim that the Ibora, the whole of Okegun belong to them. You don't know history. A Benin army attacked Ondo this down. Ijaw people ferried them. It's in history. Ijaw people ferried them. They went and attacked Lagos Island. Not the whole of Lagos, just Lagos Island. Lagos was made up of 5 divisions. 4 of these divisions were in the former Western region. They don't know history, so they keep talking. Lagos belong to Benin. Which Oba of Benin that Lagos belong to? Which Oba of Benin? You see idiots. So they flew from there to found Lagos. They carried the land of Lagos from Benin and took it and put it in among the amidst the Yoruba people in Lagos. They carried, as the Oba of Benin carried historical parasitism. Most of these things are parasitic history. It did not even happen. People have heard that there was one Oba of Lagos and they start shooing narratives around that Oba of Benin. There was one Oba in Benin. But the question I'm asking, the Oba of Benin and the Benin people now package the land of Lagos. They packaged the land of Lagos from Benin and came and lay it down amidst the Yorubas and the Gun people. They came and laid it that Lagos belong to nobody, Lagos belong to Benin. Something is wrong with you people. Benin army attacked Lagos. Okay, that sounds reasonable, but Lagos was founded by Benin people, and it's Lagos Island. That small tiny place they are talking. They are not talking of Ikeja. They are not talking of Okorodu. They are not talking of Badagry. They are not talking of Muchi. That's Lagos Island. By sea, each of them ferried them according to history. They went and attacked because they don't enter water. Benin people today don't enter water. They end at Ghetto. All the others outside are Ijaw territories. Ijaw people is there. If you want, I'll bring it. I'll bring the evidence from European reports. Benin soldiers to attack Lagos Island, and then they leave that Lagos Island So even you see people with PhD professors, you see those loquacious, arise journalists, sick, demented people who are so partisan. They've left journalism to partisanship. That they went, that Lagos belong to many people. So they passed through Lagos like this. And carried it from Benin like this, came and kept it amidst the Yoruba people, and it became Lagos. Unintelligent way of reasoning, unintelligent way of talking.